Hey, Amazon sellers, are you ready to take your Amazon FBA or FBM business to a new level? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into how to leverage your business credit to expand and scale your operations on Amazon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's get started. First thing first, business credit can be a game changer for your Amazon business. It helps you manage cash flow, invest in inventory, and increase your marketing efforts without tapping into your personal funds. Key credit bureaus like Experience Business, Equifax Business, and Dun and Bradstreet will track your business credit, which lender will review when you apply for credit. So keep this in mind. To build a solid business credit profile, you're going to establish your business entity, ensure your business is legally registered, and I will suggest to start with an LLC. It's the simple of all of the structure, and then you can go from there. Obtain a EIN number, which is your employee identification number. This is crucial for your business transaction. Basically, this is the social security number for your business. Open a new business account, preferable a checking account and a saving account, separates from your personal just for your business purpose, your business finance. And apply for a business credit card. Use it wisely to make purchases and pay it off on time every single month. Every single month, you have to pay off all of your credit cards and have it that way you can build your credit history, a credit store faster. A quick reminder over here. If you are finding this video helpful so far, please like this video if you haven't, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and comment below if you have any question or tips that you might have and want to share with us. Also, check out my free VIP group for exclusive content. I will leave the link in the description box below. Coming back to the subject, choosing the right credit products can significantly impact your growth. Here are a few top picks. First is the Amazon Corporate Credit Line. This one is tailored for purchasing directly on Amazon with extended payment terms. Another one is business credit cards like American Express, Blue Business Plus, which offer points for ad expenses and no annual fee. Another one is line of credit, which is flexible options for from banks or fintechs companies Cabbage can provide a cushion for large inventory purchases when you need it. Here is how to use business credit strategically. Inventory management. Use credit to buy in bulk for better pricing or to ensure you don't run out of stock during peak season. Another thing is marketing and advertising. Invest in Amazon PPC or external marketing campaign to drive traffic and increase your sales. And do these smartly. You have to be strategic. That way you can plan ahead and get these ads or advertising out on social media or different ways that you can think that it best suits your credit, your business or your products. And that way you can increase your return in sales, in benefits, in income, and all of that. The next thing is plan ahead for seasonal scaling. Prepare for the high sales period like holidays and those special days that you might you might take advantage of by purchasing additional inventory and increasing marketing effort. So just keep in mind all of these things. If you design a good business plan with a great strategy for this type of holidays, this type of season, your business is gonna go all over the place in a good way. So let's talk a good success story. Let's say that FBA seller used a line of credit to purchase 50,000 worth of inventory before the Q4, which basically is the quarter four or the last a few months of the year. Sales tripled during the holiday season, pay off the credit in just 2 months, and it got a lot of sales, which means a lot of income to your business. Another example is with the FBM seller. So invest in a PPC campaign using a business credit card, resulting in 40% increase in sales and improving product visibility. So these are a great example right here because basically that's how the online world. So yes, there is a organically sales that it can just come alone, and that's add a lot of value too. But in the online world, we can use and leverage marketing, digital marketing to our advantage. So keep this in mind. There is multiple things that you can consider the with the advertising or ads. You can use Google ads, you can use Instagram ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads. What else? I mean, there is many things that you can do digital that can add so much value to your business, and so much sales can. One of the things that you can use, and a lot of people maybe they don't use it as they should, is Pinterest. Pinterest is like a Google or like YouTube, a search engine that can make you a lot of sales. So keep this in mind too. This is a key that you can use to your advantage, and I'm telling you, it can help you tremendously. So is scaling your Amazon business with business credit isn't just about borrowing money. It's more about a strategic growth and sustainability. So you have to think about all of what I said before, because if you put that together, the business is going to grow smoothly, and that will be great. With the right approach, you can expand your operation, enhance your products listing in your products lines, and ultimately boost your bottom line. So that's it for all. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with other Amazon sellers that can enjoy this content. Remember to check out the description for the link of my free VIP group for more insights and tips. Drop your question or experience in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.